St. Anthony's Church here in our place, we are going to enact the Passion of Christ. Ours is a new church, and this is the first time that we are going to do the Passion of Christ enacted by our own people of our parish. The question was, what made us to come to this decision that we should have a Passion narrative enacted? It's mainly because our people, especially our children and young people, some of them do not know what it was, and we wanted to give them a clear message. We want to give a message that Jesus Christ has come to save us, and through His salvation, we who are His own are partaking in salvation, and also we are the proclaimers of this salvation. This is the message we want to give to people.
कुटुंबान आवय बापायच्या स्थानार आसून कुटुंबाक सांबाळची जबाबदारी थोडे फावटी करीत जाता. कुटुंबान अणवरां, समस्येचें वादळ, असमाधान, नासमजणी, अर्थीक अडचणी एका वयर एक मारतना जबाबदारी म्हणलें भोगप उपजोवंक कारण जाता. म्हज्या घरा, वाड्यान, पिरगजीन, गांवांत, बाबरा तळार विविध तरांची जबाबदारी मेळटा आसतना ती जबाबदारी बऱ्या मनान घेनासतना स्वार्थान, मोसरान, अधिकाराचो दुरुपयोग करून स्वंत फायद्या खातीर वावरतना
कुर्सवडेच्या पैलार माई आपल्या पुताक भेटता. आमी तुका नमस्कार आनी प्रणिपात करता. येसू मिया सोम्या आता मोजी बोगोस बोगोस सोम्या आता मोजी
निर्जीव कूड कुर्सावयली देवून मरयेच्या हुस्क्यार दितात. आमी तुका
नमस्कार आनी प्रणिपात करता. येसू मिया